Good morning, children. Welcome to the library class. Children, you have heard the name Mrs. Sudha Murthy, no? She is not only the chairperson of Infosys Foundation, is a great writer. She inspires a lot who are new in the field of writing. Children, if you want to become a writer, you should read her books more because she is writing not with her pen, with her heart. Her books are very simple and nice to read. Among that I like the most is Wise and Otherwise. In this book, she has written her experience in the form of short stories with a lot of interesting events. She has come across many types of people in her office as well as while traveling during the course of her work. Some people are wise and honest people, and some are fools like telling lie, don't have moral values. Hence the title is Wise and Otherwise. All the 51 stories are interesting to read, gives entertainment as well as teach various lessons. Do you know, children, as a writer, Sudha Murthy launched the project titled A Library for Village. More than 4,000 such libraries established all over the Karnataka state. In the page number 49, one story regarding library is very interesting. One hot afternoon, writer was sitting in her room trying to come up with new innovative ideas about library project. One stranger walked in without asking permission. May I come in, ma'am? Mrs. Murthy, wearing simple cotton sari, he thought that she is the staff of the library. Then he opened his bag and pulled out some Kannada books and started telling all the lies without any hesitation. He tells that he knows Mr. and Mrs. Murthy very well and they only sent him to give the books there. He also said that Mr. and Mrs. Murthy took idea while starting the Infosys Foundation. At last, Mrs. Murthy was fed up with that man's lying. So, she rejected all his books and told him that she don't want to buy his books even though he gives as free books for the library, because books are meant to reflect the thoughts of the personality of the author. Only an honest person will become a good writer. True, no, children? Now, we will read page number 49, what writer tells about reading and library.
I feel libraries play an important role in the lives of children, the citizen of tomorrow. As I was raised in a middle class family in small town, I was well aware of importance of books and knowledge in life of student. In my childhood, I had limited access to books, and it was then that I was envisioned starting free libraries offering unlimited access to the world of books. As soon as I had been named trustee of the foundation, I knew I had to take the first step towards fulfilling my desire to build libraries for village children. Reading has many advantages. It is not only a useful hobby, but also helps us imbibe better qualities. Keeping this in mind, the trustee planned to establish libraries that contained books in the regional language and not the textbook that the children were using in school. Simple, illustrated, interesting books that could be read without anybody's help were thus selected for these libraries. In this manner, the foundation would sow the seeds of a love for reading in the village of Karnataka. With sufficient nurturing and caring, the project has grown from a tiny saplings into a huge, wide-reaching banyan tree. More than 4,000 such libraries has been established all over the state. The books have succeeded in putting a smile on face of village children who discovered a new world opening up before them.
Nice. Now children, some of the important books she wrote are Mahashweta, The Old Man and His God, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read, Something Happened on the Way to Heaven, The Magic Drum, The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk, 3,000 Stitches, House of Cards, The Magic of Lost Temple, The Man from the Egg, The Serpent's Revenge. Not only in English, she wrote in Kannada also. Yashasvi, Tumula, ಏರಿಳಿತದ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರು. Inspired now children? Take care. Thank you children.